prepare to have your perception of history completely rewritten. Beyond the tales you know, a tapestry of astonishing lesser-known secrets from across every continent and every era awaits. Did you know that in ancient Sudan, the kingdom of Kush actually built more pyramids than ancient Egypt, their towering structures dotting the landscape, silently defying conventional narratives? Travel to ancient Peru, where the Moche civilization perfected incredibly advanced agricultural terraces and irrigation systems, transforming arid coastal lands into bountiful farmlands with engineering prowess that puzzles us even today. Leap to medieval Iceland, home to the Althing, one of the world's oldest continuously running parliaments, established by Viking settlers, and a testament to their sophisticated societal structures. Meanwhile, along the legendary Silk Road, the forgotten Sogdian merchants of Central Asia weren't just traders, they were the primary cultural and linguistic intermediaries, spreading art, religion, and technologies from China to Byzantium. And in the heart of Africa, the Mali Empire's Timbuktu wasn't merely a trading post, it housed vast private libraries and renowned universities, making it a global beacon of Islamic scholarship and intellectual exchange. Fast forward to the Caribbean of the early modern era, where the Maroons of Jamaica escaped enslaved people, established independent communities, and waged such effective guerrilla warfare that they forced the mighty British Empire to sign peace treaties acknowledging their sovereignty. Across the vast continent of Australia, long before European arrival, Aboriginal communities maintained incredibly complex and extensive trade routes, spanning thousands of kilometers, and facilitating the exchange of goods, knowledge and culture through intricate networks and ceremonies. Simultaneously, China's Admiral Zheng, he embarked on monumental treasure voyages, with fleets far larger than anything Europe possessed, reaching the coasts of East Africa and potentially beyond, centuries before Columbus, forever altering global trade dynamics. In the unforgiving Arctic, the Inuit developed a profound understanding of astronomy and intricate oral traditions, not just for survival, but for precise navigation across vast icy landscapes, using stars, winds, and ice formations as their compass. Finally, delve into the often overlooked secret scientific and diplomatic exchanges between the Ottoman Empire and various European powers during periods of supposed conflict, revealing a surprising continuity of intellectual curiosity and pragmatism that transcended religious and political divides. These are just glimpses into the untold narratives of our shared past, proving that history is far richer, more complex, and endlessly more surprising than we ever imagined. What other secrets lie waiting to be discovered?